Hi, and welcome to the 2021 Photonics Conference. My name is Daryl Paul. I'm with Aerotech, and I want to give you an introduction to not only us as a company, but the primary applications that we participate in and help innovate with the industry for photonics. Just a quick further introduction. I am here with Derek Jepson at the conference and myself, and we've been happy to participate in this epic conference for Photonics Plus. And just to start things out, Aerotech has been in the industry for 50 plus years, and our mission is to help the global customers succeed in difficult automation and motion processes. At Aerotech, our main mission is accelerating the lab to fab customer journey. And we do this by improving the speed to market because we work with our customers to be developing the automation process alongside their product development process. This in itself lowers development costs. At the same time, our equipment has more capabilities and a greater flexibility in the test operations all the way into beta production and production so that the capital utilization of your investment is maximized. For Aerotech, it's very important that we partner with our customers. It's a really important part of the reason why that we're successful. And we really walk step by step with our engineers directly involved with your engineers, going through your product design process, your testing, and your manufacturing, because the last thing that you want to have happen is having a product that's ready to go to market and a valid production system that's not able to produce where you need it to produce. This is where Aerotech shines. To start off this partnering process, we have several labs, a photonics lab, a laser process lab, and a metrology lab. For each of the applications that we're going to show you later in our presentation, these labs are essential in providing the proof of concept capabilities to our customers. The second part of Aerotech's mission in the photonics industry is supporting the lab to fab journey. Because this journey can be long, can be short, and there's a lot at stake to being successful. So that's why we not only talk about partnership, but we also talk about value generation. And this is in several parts for Aerotech. It's our business partnership, the innovation, the engineering, being able to have the production capability that to really cover all the needs of our customers. And once that system is installed, the life cycle management and the support services to keep you up and running successfully and moving to the next level. For Aerotech, we're really looking for a relationship with our customer, and we really want to deliver on a value and deliver on risk management that goes beyond our PO. And one of the things that's important to know is that not just Aerotech has been in the business for 50 plus years, but we're a financially stable company. We are solid in our responsibility to our employees, our responsibility to our customers. And we make sure that we are really solid on our supply chain and risk management because there can't be any interruptions to your production process and your production performance. Aerotech is a highly vertical manufacturing supplier. We'll talk a little bit about that further in the next slides. One of the first and foremost levels of partnership that we have with our customers is innovation. Because innovation just doesn't happen at the product level for Aerotech, but it also involves how our products are put together to become solutions, and how our products are put together into solutions that then evolve into the applications and the solutions that our customers need. And so there's a very valuable process and relationship that we have with our customers to help us understand what do we need to be working towards. And as you can see here, we consistently invest. Really at the top tier level of every manufacturer, we contribute a major percentage of our revenue towards innovation so that we keep on moving forward and we keep on moving our customers forward. You might know Aerotech for decades about being a top tier supplier for motion control products. But what's also important to know is that for that time, almost 80% of our business that we do with our customers, engineering services are part of that process. It goes hand in hand with almost every order. So it's important to know what our capabilities are when it comes to these services. So we have project management, the application development that we talked about earlier to start off the process. We're able to do what we call motion platforms for a lot of OEMs and major manufacturers to full turnkey systems for various types of end user applications and process integrators. We help and make sure, and we manage this process around a clear functional specification for development. And throughout this process, customer approval is critical at each stage, all the way into the design acceptance approvals and the factory acceptance and startup process. Returning to an earlier point in our presentation, one of Aerotech's unique strengths in the market is its production capability, and specifically the fact that it's very highly vertically integrated, meaning that from the early stages at the component level all the way through assemblies into products, into assemblies, and into systems, Aerotech has all those production capabilities in-house. We have the SMT and electronic assembly. We build both our linear motors and rotary motors. We have one of the top-notch precision machining centers in the US. We have very skilled workers in order to make these products and test these products and make sure they're going to deliver on the tested and validated performance that we've promised our customers. Okay, before ending this section around supporting the lab to fab journey and getting into the applications for the photonics industry, I wanted to just end this section in terms of understanding our service and commitment to you as this product and solution is delivered to you and you're up and running. We're going to continue to partner with you. We do excellent life cycle management because of the critical nature of our products and the processes that we're involved in. We follow in every aspect of our company the copy exact support that's very critical for the semiconductor market, the photonics market, and several other critical high technology markets. We make sure that in our development process, we are creating a migration and support plan for our products and our systems to customers. We have a roadmap planning process that we follow, and we make sure we're continuing to innovate in a direction that meets our customers' needs. We have some field support services. We have repair facilities for our products. We have our field engineers that began this process with you. All those services are going to continue to be at your disposal when you're working with the solutions that we deliver. Aerotech is very much a global company. We have centers of excellence in the United States as our headquarters, Germany, United Kingdom, and Singapore. So we're able to cover you across the globe. In this last section, we're going to be talking about how Aerotech is innovating the lab to fab journey. How are we making a difference? We look at our applications in the photonics market in two major sections. The wafer process solutions, which involves probing and inspection, microtransfer printing, and laser processing. The second category is photonic assembly solutions. This includes alignment, bonding, Bragg grading, and waveguide writing. The first application I'm going to speak to you about today in innovating the lab to fab journey is optical wafer probing. And what we do in all of our applications is we partner with our customers on the process that they have today in providing an automation solution around their process. And in Aerotech, for the wafer probing, we focus on our capability and performance around accuracy, not just resolution, because we have seen in our applications with customers that increased accuracy produces better testing results, reduces the scan and testing times, the types of scans that need to be run. It also helps the customer validate production level speeds at the same time they're developing the testing and the product itself. And then additionally, we have the capability to add precision vision guidance along with our precision motion control. And this adds another layer of capability to really help the lab to fab journey, because we can use that vision guidance to really look at specific areas on the wafer or on a photonic device and speed up our process for alignment and testing. The next application I'd like to speak to you about is photonic transfer printing. And this is a specific type of microtransfer printing that is used in the industry for multi-layer semiconductor and 3D heterogeneous integration. And what we do is we partner with our customers in their process that they use for this transfer, which can be a stamp process, it can be a laser liftoff process, and there's also additional types of substrates that customers are using in the transfer process, like graphene. And what Aerotech does is we provide the automation solution around these processes that are being developed in the industry. And what's required on the automation solution side is a high speed, high acceleration, fast move and settle, highly dynamic, and static stiffness automation solution. As a result, we've been able to achieve high production rates and high yield rates by partnering with our customers to automate their process. For wafer laser process solutions, Aerotech offers several capabilities in dicing, etching, and marking solutions. And lasers offer a good advantage against chemical and mechanical processes in these applications. Provides higher yields, precision, and flexible manufacturing, and often a solution with complex wafer and die layouts. Once again, Aerotech partners with our customers in their specific process to develop the right solution for them in many of these laser applications. When it comes to photonic assembly solutions, Aerotech has actually done many projects with customers, and one of the key factors here is our ability to really design the system to the exact needs and exact process that the customer needs for their product and their production line. And so when it comes to the performance of the alignment, we can provide the assembly of one device, multiple devices, and making sure that the peak performance of the system at the end of the assembly is complete and tested. Last but not least, photonic waveguide writing and Bragg grading. Aerotech provides the capability of direct write automation solutions to customers who have a developed process to form these waveguides and design these waveguides. And what our automation process does is it provides a very high speed 200 kilohertz 3D trajectory rate that synchronizes our motion system with the Galvo laser steering system for nanometer precision performance that the customers need in their process. Thank you for the opportunity today to present the capabilities and applications Aerotech provides today to the photonics market. We are absolutely a trusted and proven partner to many customers globally, and we would appreciate the opportunity to work with you on your next project. Please contact me over LinkedIn, and I will be happy to assemble our team of engineers and regional sales engineers to start on your project.